Welcome back to Wonder Boy. Well, today my ostrich laid for the first time today. So I'm gonna get that egg. See the male right here? He guarding that egg. So when it come on this breeding season, ladies and gentlemen, these ostriches are dangerous. You cannot get in the pen. I think the best way to get in the pen, if you can drive in and pick up the egg and drive right back out, that would be the best way. But I wouldn't advise no one to get in these pen with these ostrich during breeding season. So I come up with a metal. I get the pipe and I plumb it and I turn it. So this is how I get my ostrich egg, ladies and gentlemen. I go on and I hook it and I slide it. Just like this. See? So that means I don't have to go in that pen with that big boy. Look at the big boy. See him there? Tracy. Get the egg, get the egg. Watch it, you won't kick it. Watch it. Yeah, so this is the first one, ladies and gentlemen, for the first start. So I don't think I want to set this one. I'm going to set the third one from this, because this first one maybe not developed. So I'm going to do something with this one. I don't know. This is too much for Wonder Boy to eat. This is a big egg, ladies and gentlemen. But I'm going to wash him off and put him up nicely. So welcome back to Wonder Boy. Like, share, subscribe. Big up Wonder Boy upon the ostrich breeding this year. This year I'm planning to get about 65 eggs from the female. And last year I get 42. And I don't know what happened. I only get 2 babies from the 42 eggs. But this year, if Wonder Boy have to lie down on the egg and set it this year, then I going to do it, because this bird is some expensive bird. You got to have them on the right diet for these eggs to be ready and fertilized. So Wonder Boy is doing his thing, ladies and gentlemen. So you want you big up Wonder Boy, like, share, subscribe. Big up Wonder Boy. Catch Wonder Boy in the ostrich breeding this year. And I will take you along the journey and show you from the babies them up, from nursery up. And you're gonna see how Wonder Boy do it. So you want you big up Wonder Boy and follow Wonder Boy on his journey. Peace.